Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2017 Lexus GX 460. Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the system and the feature that come with this fantastic Tesla system. Okay, first of all we start from the hardware specification of the system first. This system comes with the PX6, the newest version of the Tesla style, and that means it also comes the hexa-core 6-core CPU, and it also comes the 4GB of RAM and 64GB storage memory. It also comes the built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also fully compatible with the original 360-degree camera and also the original Magnificent, the premium sound system from Lexus. It also fully compatible with the steering wheel control. You can also see that you can also use this steering wheel control to control all the volume here. It also supports the backup camera here. Okay, it's very nice. It comes with many different modes, right? So it's fully compatible. And then, okay, now we can start from the navigation first. Okay, this system comes with the built-in navigation system. We will preload a couple of the navigation software for you. This is the offline navigation, so that means you do not need to connect to any Wi-Fi to use the navigation. How to use that? You just need to click on the bottom right corner here, and then you can just go to the new road, and then you can enter the address right here. It also comes the US and Canada. You also come with 2D and 3D map right here. You can also change it. Okay, so other than the built-in navigation map, then you can also use the Google Map right here. This is the Google Map. This is the newest version of the Google Map. That means it also comes with the offline feature. In the future, if you want to download the map data of the Google Map, next time when you use the Google Map, you do not need to connect to any Wi-Fi. So how to do that? Just click on the icon here, and then you can see offline map here. You can just select your own map, and you can download the whole area to the unit. Okay, so in the future you do not need to connect to Wi-Fi to use the Google Map. Okay, so you can just click on download. It's probably take around 230 GB. Okay, so 230 megabyte. Okay, so that's it. And then other than that, you can also use the other navigation software. Then you can download the software like the Waze and also the other application from the Google Play Store right here. All right, we'll also preload the Netflix here. You can also watch the Netflix here, but however you need to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone. How to do that? Just click on the setting, or maybe pull down from the top. You can see that there's a Wi-Fi icon here. Just hold it, and they will bring you to the Wi-Fi menu here. Okay, so you can, when you turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone, then you will be able to use the Wi-Fi here. Okay, other than that, you can also download the movie to the USB, and then you can also go to the VLC right here. Go to this one.
The mission has been compromised. We need help.
You can see that the resolution is very nice. Okay, it's really big screen. And one thing you need to keep that in mind is if the car comes with a premium sound system, okay, you will need to mention before you place the order. Okay, and also another thing is after the installation, you also need to do some adjustment on the on every single channel of the speaker. Otherwise, there will cause some issue with the balance. Okay, how to do that? Just go click on the console right here, and then go to M info. You can adjust the value right here. All right, but do not change anything here if you are not confirmed. Okay, so other than that, you can download any application from the Google Play Store right here, and then just use it on the system. Okay, so another thing is this system also comes with support the Apple CarPlay. Okay, the wireless Apple CarPlay. Just keep that in mind. When you use the wireless Apple CarPlay, you cannot watch the YouTube at the same time. Okay, because the wireless Apple CarPlay, they use Bluetooth to pair at the beginning, but once they get paired, they will automatically switch to Wi-Fi at the background. So that means wireless Apple CarPlay, they use Wi-Fi to transfer the data, not the Bluetooth. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. First of all, you need to take out your phone. Okay, and then go to Bluetooth, search the Bluetooth device name BT-F67D. All right, so you can just go to Bluetooth here and then search it. Okay, BT-670 right here. Okay, click on that one. Enter the password 00000. Okay, you can see that 00000 pair. Once they get paired, then you can go to the app ceiling, Depends. If your phone comes with the newest version of the iOS 15, that means you also need to. It's a little bit tricky. If your phone is iOS 15, then you need to adjust some setting in order to connect to the Apple CarPlay. Okay, just keep that in mind. But if your phone is still come with iOS version is still below iOS 15, that means you don't need to worry about this one. All right. So basically, this one is the Apple CarPlay here. In order to use the Apple CarPlay, there's a split screen feature right here. You can also split screen, and also you can also play the music. Okay. All right. You can also do that. It's very nice. Okay. Okay. This one also comes the voice control. How to use the voice control? You just need to hold the bottom left corner here. Bring me to gas station.
One possibility is Esso on Kennedy Road. Let me know if I should call one of them or get directions for you.
Perfect. Okay, so this is the Apple CarPlay. All right, you can also, of course, you can also check your message here, or maybe you can also check the WhatsApp message. Okay. This application, for example, this Apple CarPlay comes with the Spotify. However, our system also comes with the Spotify, but they're not the same. Okay, the application right here requires the Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, so if you want to use this Spotify, you need to connect the Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, but it's gonna be the same as this one. It's gonna be the same if you use the Spotify right here. All right, and then if you want to go back to the original menu, just click on the car, and then it will bring you back to the original menu. All right. So one thing I want to show you, if you want to, for example, now I want to turn off the Apple CarPlay. Okay, and I want to turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, you need to go to setting of your phone and then search CarPlay. Okay, so it's CarPlay right here, and then you can see that there's a couple options right here. Okay, CJIN. This one is the one for the unit. You need to turn off this one. Okay, and then you can turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot on the phone, or maybe pair it with your wife, your other people's phone. Okay, but first of all, you need to turn off this one first. All right, and then you will be fine. Okay, just keep that in mind. So basically, this system is fully compatible with the temperature control right here. It also comes with dual climate control. You can also adjust the rear defroster here. Okay. You can also adjust the temperature on both sides, passenger side and driver side. All right, individually. Okay. So it's very convenient. You can also adjust the rear climate control too. Okay. You also support the rear climate control. Okay. So this system can also be purchased from our website www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.